Welcome to this lesson on long division. In the last lesson, we looked at basic division, dividing single-digit and double-digit whole numbers with and without a remainder, and labeling the parts of a division problem. In this lesson, we'll look at what long division is, a method for long division, bringing down numbers, and dividing 3-digit and 4-digit whole numbers using long division. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to demonstrate an understanding of place value, subtraction, multiplication, single-digit division, division with remainders, and bringing down. You should also be able to divide multi-digit whole numbers using long division. This is the main menu. Click a button to navigate to each part of this unit. If you want to return to the menu, click the menu button, which can be found in the top right-hand corner of each slide. In this lesson, we'll learn about long division and how to divide 3-digit numbers. Remember to get your workbook, notebook, and pencil to work along. Your workbook can be downloaded by clicking the resource button in the top right-hand corner of the frame. Now, to recap, in this lesson we looked at what division is, we looked at the DMSBR method for long division, bringing down numbers, and dividing 3-digit and 4-digit whole numbers using long division. Great job! You're halfway through the module. Keep going!